It's me, Jigsaw. You have entered a slavery game since birth. Your life's a game of slavery. I'm bored watching you suffer. Come closer. What I tell you, you must tell everyone if you want to stop the world's suffering and your own. Do nothing with this warning. You will be enslaved for life. Major media, police, lawyers, judges, politicians are corporations, not a government. Just corporate slavery enforced, like me, here to murder your birthrights. Thank you to the sellouts I just mentioned for enforcing slavery via corporate citizenship and all the suffering you cause. Psychos like me love that. They strip you the public rights and make you an owned slave via corporate legal ID. If you want to live free, join Peacemaker Society now. Slavery is still alive, coming to get you just like me. Peacemaker Society is here to protect you from me and those here to enforce corporate slavery upon you. If you do nothing, you will be my next victim. www.peacemakersociety.org. What are you waiting for? Go now. Save yourself, or I will see you soon. Peacemaker Society. They are the only hope you've got.